Good morning. Hope you're all doing well. Today I want to talk to you about one of my all-time favorite oils, Copaiba. I cannot live without this oil. I'm just going to talk about the benefits. I'm not going to go into the science part of it. But in Copaiba or Copaiba comes from the resin of a tree in South America. It is very rich in CBP, which is it's a compound. It's a cannabinoid compound. It has 50 to 80% CBP. So how the cannabinoid works is it works with our endocannabinoid system, which is a series of cells and molecules in our bodies. We have a CB1, which is it's our brain and nervous system, and our CB2 is our immune system. So with Copaiba, we can alleviate many things, starting with it's anti-inflammatory. And at the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you my all-time. Did I just drop it? My headache. I suffer from I used to suffer from headaches, guys, like really bad. And I have not used a pill in over a year. Same thing as my husband. We just got rid of all of our pharmaceuticals. Not that it's not good, but you know, instead of taking 3-4 pills in a week, now if my head really hurts and the oils are not working, then I can just take one. But I don't have to be poisoning my body every single day or 3 times a week or whatever I was taking. But okay, so it's an anti-inflammatory. It's known to be like one of the best anti-inflammatory oils. It also aids with your digestion, and how I noticed my Copaiba when I don't take it, it's my brain starts to be scattered all over. Copaiba, with one drop under my tongue, it like puts everything in order. It's crazy, but it's true. I love Copaiba. It doesn't affect any of, like, I'm a normal person, but my brain is not scattered all over the place. So it alleviates stress, and it normalizes your respiratory function. And it's just, it aids with your normal restoration process of the body. So it's also good for the skin, but and how we can use it, how I use it. I put a drop under my tongue. These are new. I've only taken like maybe 4 because I take them when I travel, and I love them. But I love the taste of Copaiba. I don't know why. It brings me like childhood memories when I used to climb the guava trees and I bite into those green guavas. I don't know. I love it so much. So I love smelling it. I love putting it all over me. Also, if you see that little green lotion right there, it does not have any. You can basically put any oil in it and make your lotion smell the way you want. If you want peppermint that day, put a dollop on your hand. Put your oil there. I put Copaiba because it's really good for your skin and it's good for pimples and stuff like that too. You can use our coconut oil if you want to use it over your body, and also you can diffuse it at night if you want a good night's sleep. I love this oil. I cannot tell you how much I love it. So I'm going to show you how to do my DIY super pain reliever. First, I'm going to grab my little 15 ml bottle, and then I put 10 drops of Copaiba. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For your anti-inflammatory. Also, we all know that peppermint is really good for pain, so I put it in there, guys. I used to suffer from migraines. Like my eye, I feel like my eye was gonna pop out. And I made my own combination, and this works for me. So I'm pretty sure it would work for you too. Also deep blue, because we all know it's really good for pain. I love the smell of deep blue. I just put 10 drops of each. Lavender also. Soothing. I love this mixture, guys, and it smells so good. I'm not even counting the drops. I don't know, but it's about 10. Our king of oils, frankincense, another anti-inflammatory, good for everything. And last but not least, to make it a little stronger, even though deep blue already has it, I love to put wintergreen in here. And then I just top it with my fractionated coconut oil and find the lid. Give me a second. Find the lid. Label, of course, pain. And you are good to go, and it smells so good. And guys, just have your partner or yourself massage your head if you suffer from migraines and headaches. This is good for you. You need this in your life. I know it's a lot of oils, but it doesn't matter because we have a lot of them, and they're good for you. Thank you for watching.